take the 10 ticks.
Yeah.
That's a unhappy action.
Yeah, that's a bad day right there.
Potentially triggering as well.
Oh, big time. Yeah, I'm gonna be on tilt after that. I'll fucking tell you that for free. My internet provider's gonna get a phone call from me.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be like that.
Absolutely.
You guys ever see the video of that British trader and he's trying to get filled on a trade and he calls his brokerage. Like, you better
No.
not put me on the fucking book or I'm going to come down there and wring your fucking head. It's really funny, man. I wonder if I can find the clip of it.
Yeah, post it. Oh yeah, and I changed the Sierra chart importer in the journal, by the way. So now it still doesn't group trades by flat to flat.
Sure.
I'll do that once all the other importers are done. But because I was making a mistake, there was a bug, and Alode, which he's here, he helped me out figuring out what I was doing wrong.
So the live trades are still going to be on hold for now.
Okay, I'm back. Oh, Chronic, you're back
The
too?
live trades, you mean what? The live...
Live tagging and then importing the Sierra chart trades on top of the live tags.
Yeah.
Still broken for now, okay.
It's not broken. It imports every trade, like every single field, every line that you have in your Sierra chart file.
Sure.
It imports it as one trade. But once I've done all the other importers, I'll make the code that groups everything together.
Sure.
Like the flat to flat.
I just posted that clip in the chat.
Okay.
Yuki, you there?
Yeah, let's do this.
You wanna do this? Wanna
Yeah.
do this here?
Chronic, are you still trading? Yeah, he's still trading.
If I am, it's going to be very fucking conservative because my internet's having issues, so I do not mind if you guys are talking.
Okay.
Maybe you should try sim trading at least.
Yeah, that's what I did. As soon as that happened, I switched to sim.
Yeah.
I didn't even risk it
call.
for a second, dude.
Yeah, good call. Okay.
Yeah, tell
So
us if we bother you, man.
Yeah, no worries.
sharing my whole screen.
Right, so
Okay. So basically, I have my execution here. It's already.
oh wait, you don't use Ninja Trader.
It's Ninja Trader.
Isn't it Sierra?
No, it's Ninja.
Oh wait,
It's,
I'm watching the wrong screen. Sorry.
He's watching me. Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Okay, there you go. Okay,
Okay.
wait a second here. Let me take a look at this. Okay, so instrument account.
It's already filtered with your what you want. Basically, I don't like I said to you. I don't have the max quantity and open and close max quantity.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I can.
Okay,
choose...
wait a second here. Show me all the columns that are available.
Yep, that's it.
Wait a second. Cub net profit. I love when they abbreviate like that.
Yep.
So you have trade number, quantity. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This is fine. Can you enable every single column?
Sorry, what?
Can you enable every column, every single column?
Put on or put off?
Sorry?
You want me to select all or remove all?
Yeah. All of them. Put the ticks on all of them.
Okay.
Because this is the default, right? When you open it for the first time, this is what you see. You see all the columns. I
think.
Yeah. Anyway.
I
Okay.
apply.
And the MAE and MFE are in ticks, correct?
Yeah, actually, now it's I can change it up to currency because you need it in currency, I think.
Exactly. Very good. Okay, so now everything is in currency, including the P&L. Yeah. So good. Okay. Can you export this file like
Yep.
it is right now and send it to me?
Yep. I will show you the whole thing since see, I got it here.
Ah, peaceful. Ah, thank God. Ah, nice. Nice green. Nice. Peaceful.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's peaceful. I need that's peaceful. So that's what it looks like after. And then yeah, I will send you. Do you want me to send it like this or in text files?
The thing that you exported, the CSV, I want you to send me the CSV.
Okay. Dream, where are you?
So let me write a few notes here, actually. Give me a second.
You have my bracket.
Huh?
You have my bracket too. Like I named it that. That's as well.
So, number one, so select all the columns. Select the unit to currency. And the losing trades have the parentheses around them, right?
Sorry. Wait, hold
Yeah.
on. I will put that back.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, no worries.
Yeah, so the losing trades don't have a minus, they have that, and they have the dollar amount. For that, okay. So I'm assuming the cumulative net profit, if that's negative, that's also gonna have the parentheses.
Yeah.
Okay.
They do.
But the MA doesn't, and it's positive. Cool. I think I got it, man. I think I got it. And it doesn't group trades by flat to flat, right? Automatically. Like
No,
if
like
you
most of the time I have this kind of thing. So that's one trade.
okay, so it's like Sierra, cool.
And most of the time, even if I'm when I traded 4 lots, it's happened to like 4 1 slot or 1 3 lots or some random shit like that.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's like Sierra, and I'll do it for now where, every row is a single trade, but once I'm done doing the other importers, I'll make it so that it works flat to flat.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And it's gonna be an option, so you can either have it like this or flat to flat when you import it.
Yeah, I mean, like if I wanted to import it like this, I could just make it as one trade anyway. Like
Yeah, you need to modify the
yeah,
file.
do it manually.
Yeah. Right now, yes. Okay. Well, that's it.
That was easy.
Well, that was fast.
Now I just need a guy that uses Tradovate. Miller is not available, unfortunately.
Yeah, true is like easier when we
I'll
talk
just
about
create
it.
a demo account in Tradovate and do it myself. Fuck it. All of this was because I don't want to open the Windows partition on my PC, by the way. Tradovate is online, so I can do that.
I might have some old Trade of 8 records. Let's see if I remember my login.
Yeah, but I need to see the platform to see what options you can enable. So.
Well, you got a web platform.
Yeah. I'll just create a demo account. I used it in the past, but maybe I still have.
Sure.
A demo account.
So yeah, I will wait
No.
for Ninja update to put my equity curves too.
Yeah. I think I should be able to do it today. So you're gonna have an update later.
Okay. Thanks a lot, man. That's
Oh, no
that's
worry. You don't have to thank me.
He's getting paid for it.
Jeez.
Bless you.
Yeah, excuse me, sorry.
Now I'm just gonna watch this maniac trade for a while.
Team.
You.
Hey, Chewy.
Hey,
How are
Joey.
you guys doing today?
Pretty good. I'm
Very
having
good.
internet
Yeah,
Dude,
outage.
I'm getting absolutely farted on today.
Damn, you good, bro?
Yeah, it was me yesterday, basically, so no worries.
I can't get shit to stick if I threw it at a wall right now, dude. I'm gonna have to review this day, see what the hell I'm doing wrong.
It was like that Tuesday for me. Like nothing worked.
Yeah, those days are just frustrating.
But then when I watched the review, I realized that every time I took a loss, I immediately re-entered. Like I wasn't trading well at all. So
Yeah, almost like a revenge trade.
yeah, very bad trading.
I'm not getting filled on anything. There we go. Fuck. 2 tick win and it made me work for it. Fuck.
Chronic, you do something with your mouse. It's like so funny.
Oh.
It's almost like you want to push the price with your your mouse.
I'm blowing on the
Wait.
screen. I'm rubbing my monitor.
Yeah, you blowing on it.
Uh,
I know that you just follow the spread, but it's so funny. to watch.
yeah, that is funny when I stock trades. You can see
Yeah.
me watching the price. That's what.
But it just looks like you push the price with your cursor.
Yeah, fucking Miller. When he was watching me trade a couple weeks ago, that was driving him crazy. I could tell. I was just following the bid the entire way up, and he's like, "Don't do it, don't do it."
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just your mechanical parts. I think
Yeah, that's
your
funny.
habit.
Yeah, I was tempted to say I'm to switch back to live. I just, I mean, I'm green on the day. I don't really have any reason to fucking push it today. I am, and especially considering I'm so impatient right now because I fucking missed 3 days of trading this week.
And 2 internet shutdown.
And my
Yeah,
internet's
I've
crashed
missed a
twice
bunch of
today.
days too.
Yeah, it I can pretend it's not fucking with me, but it's definitely fucking with me. So
I think I'm gonna add 1 execution per week. I'm starting at 10, but next week I will push it to 11.
that's a good idea.
How long does it take you to do 10 usually?
Like this time, I think it's 1 hour, 1 hour and 10 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, that checks out. That's usually how I execute as well.
I'm more active. For me, it's like 20 every 1 hour. Usually that.
20?
Yeah.
Okay.
It usually takes me 1 hour to do the whole 20 trades.
Okay.
I think that's fair for a guy like you because I think because of what you do for a living, you're used to multitasking and having a lot of thoughts at once and having to process information really fast. Where I'm the opposite. I get so overwhelmed if I'm trying to do too much in too short of a time frame. But I don't
I'm
always
also
want to be that way.
impatient.
That's true, yeah.
That's the dumb part.
Unfortunately, that's a problem that I have.
Did
But
everybody
today I
crash?
wasn't impatient at all.
No, we're still good.
Yeah. That was a good first session for me, trading that way.
Oh, it was
I
the
think
first time?
yeah, it was the first time trying to just take 2 ticks the trade and trading so less. 10 execution is really small for me, and I tend to do very very long session, like almost 2 hours at least. So it's pretty weird for me, but I need to get used to it.
Yeah, it's definitely a change. Like I used to come here and I would trade the whole fucking session. You know?
Yeah.
But more times than not, by the end of that session, I would make mistakes, and I never thought it was fatigue. Like I felt fine, and I had coffee, and like I felt okay. Maybe my eyelids were a little heavy, but you are fatigued. You're just not aware
Yeah.
of it.
You can feel it anyway.
Yeah. You're like, oh, why did I take that trade? That was such a shitty trade. And then you're like, oh, it's because I've been sitting at this desk for 6.5 hours.
Yeah, I think the more time passes by, more you will be likely to have psychological issues.
Yeah, it's like playing professional sports. You know, you show up, you take your shift. You know, you do your shift, and you fucking execute with 100% of your capabilities. And then you rest. You know, I would, if I was doing this full time, I would like to take multiple breaks in a session.
Yeah.
Like trade an hour, walk away for a couple hours, come back, maybe check the afternoon, see what it's doing, take a couple hours break, and then trade the close. But even I think that's a lot.
I'm gonna do that too, because like I do the open 10 execution, and maybe later in the day 10 more execution.
Yeah.
Later. Maybe it's a good idea.
Yeah.
I've discovered that I'm too aggressive at the open.
Yeah,
Make
that
stupid
too.
mistakes.
That too.
Make stupid mistakes, and then I'm like, wow, that was unnecessary.
Yeah, I have that exact same problem.
Yeah,
which is
I'm
why I'm waiting until 10 o'clock. I think I used to think it was really stupid people who waited until 10 o'clock.
No.
In a way it is,
Ah,
because you're
yeah.
waiting for like all the volatilities at 9:30. You know, like that's where the opportunities are. But I think for beginner traders, it's like digest the information that the open is giving you. Like read the open. It makes you uncomfortable. Just sit there and watch it. Don't place any trades. And for me at least, that's made a huge difference. Because it's also like a delayed gratification. Like I have to earn it. You know, I have to earn my right to trade. So by sitting between 9:30 and 10, I don't sit down at 10 o'clock. I sit down at 9:30. I just don't place any trades until 10 o'clock.
Well, that's the hard part, is sitting there and like watching it, and you're like, shit, that could have been like
It's a trade. Yeah.
a point there,
Yeah.
2 points there, you know, and you start psyching yourself out.
It is uncomfortable.
I hate you guys, but most of the time, since I'm checking news every day, most of the time I just can't trade before 10 because we had like news.
Yeah.
So anyway, I just can't trade anyway.
That's
So-
true. That's another factor. I think the price action at the open is so unnatural. It's good,
Yeah,
don't get me
yeah.
wrong, and there's fucking opportunities there, but I feel like after 10 o'clock it becomes a little bit more natural price action. That being said, though, every fucking session's different. Nothing's gonna be.
Yesterday was a freaking rocket.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people were telling me. I'm kind of glad I wasn't here yesterday.
Yeah,
we broke up with the news,
Yeah.
and then we just keep going.
So the news was kind of like what was the news? It was CPI kind of rose a little bit, right?
Uh, I don't remember since I'm getting on my chart at 9:30. So I just saw the volatility spikes and yeah.
What do you use to see volatility spikes? Or
It's just a news hitting. I just
oh,
avoid this moment. Like when I see big news, I just stay away from the markets and
what? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, how do you before the market open? Do you say, okay, there's news that's coming and you know of it, or do you have alerts for news, or like how do you know? Yeah.
it's part of my routine. So every day, just before open my charts, I always check news to see when it's gonna possibly have volatility spikes, and just avoid this moment, not getting trapped into them.
What's your news source? Like, what do you use? Do you use like Trading
I
View?
just use investing, I think, some basic shit.
Mm.
Yeah, he's Bloomberg. Yeah, it seems to not Bloomberg Terminal. I'm not that fucking rich, but Bloomberg Investments. I'm long here at 86, but it's not fucking working for me here. It looks like downward compression. I might have to pull this here if it doesn't work soon. I think I was a little too quick on this trade. I didn't wait for the slip advantage. But I really like that it's rolling flat at 87.50. That's a level I marked out this morning. And it just traded flat against it. And I would like to see that break here.
So, Chronic, are you funded or are you working on a combine? Like, what's your current status?
I'm working on a combine right now, and I think I'm about 50% to beating
So,
it.
so in order to qualify, you got to have 5 winning days, right? Above $200 for like Top Step, and then you got to hit 3 grand, I think, right?
I'm on Apex, so I'm not
Oh,
too familiar. I think Apex is also 3 grand, but I don't think it has the daily profit.
Well, top step is once you get funded, you have to have. I think it's 3 days in a row with 200, right? Like not
It's
not
it's
not in a
five.
row. Oh, it's
It,
five. They
it's
changed
five,
it.
but not in a row. Yeah, I got my payout for them. I just and you don't have to hit 300. You can pay out when you have these 3 days, these
Yeah.
5 days. But when you pay out for the first time, the limit balance is getting back to 0. So, for example, if you made 1,000 and you want to withdraw 500, you will have 500.
Damn, yeah, I just got burned on that fucking trade. Shit. Top ticked me. I think that should have been my first clue right there. 87.75.
Yeah, you're getting a bit fucked here. I was watching you.
Yeah, a little bit of tunnel vision there.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, it happens. High conviction.
Are you on demo right now?
No, I was on demo back earlier in the day. Trading back here. But at that fucking 87.50, man, I wanted that level so bad. And he gave it to me. Just fucking top ticked me.
Yeah. Well, I need to start my review, so I'll do that. Come on. Ah.
Hey, Chronic.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Do you remember like 2 weeks ago when I said to you like you said to me I hold my trade so long and you was uncomfortable watching me?
Sure.
It's the opposite now.
Yeah, that's true. You're probably watching me say it, dude. Cut that, cut that, cut that.
I mean, since I'm in my 2 ticks training, every time like it touched 2 ticks, I was like, okay, cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. That's fucking funny, man.
Yeah, we switch up roles.
Yeah, exactly. I
So
like
weird.
this little uptrend here. I'm gonna try 84.50. I think I missed it though. Try 84.75. Man, yeah, it's not easy today. It's making me work for it.
I think it's depending on your objective, since like every trade you took, you had 1 or 2 ticks.
Yeah, and that's it comes down to like what you're looking for out of the trade, you know. And
Yeah.
I was hoping we'd get an explosive move over 87.50. I mean, like maybe not multiple points, but maybe like a point or two above that level. And I just don't think it wanted to give it to me. It just top ticked me, and that should have been my first sign to get out there.
Maybe you forecast a little bit too much. I don't know.
Yeah, getting tunnel vision with a bigger picture idea.
Yeah, that's what's my problem. And since I see it's day and night with yesterday and today for me,
Sure.
so Dream, are you doing your review process?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Do you mind if I can watch it?
Oh, no problem, man. Here we go.
Maybe we can switch up channels not bother, Captain.
Yeah, you're good, man. I don't mind.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I usually don't speak anyway when I do
Oh,
this,
okay.
but
So yeah, you're just gonna watch then.
yeah, I'm watching the recording and give me a second here.
I'm just interested on what tags you're using. No, how you leverage with
It's a
that.
work in progress. It's a work in progress. I'm, I'm okay with the tags I have. But I always forget. Oh, there you go.
Thank you,
So,
man.
okay, we have the recording here, the journal here. Cool. First trade is at 9:35.
Oof, that one came back against me fast.
9:35. 9:35:47.
Watch what stocks are doing here.
Okay, placed the long there. So that is a conservative. Oh, I just realized that I do talk. Sorry, Chronic.
You're good, man. I don't mind.
So scalp exit. This to me looks like low volatility. Up channel, and I was focused. So I take 3 here. Maybe there was room for more. Oh wait, I'm streaming at low resolution, right? Let me... Sorry.
No worries.
Oh, I can't do 180 actually.
No, bro, yeah, I see. I
It's
see
quite
it.
small to see here, but I guess you...
I can see it, don't worry.
Okay, next trade is 9:37. 9:37:50. Okay, was that conservative? No, that was a tick shot. Yeah, that was conservative. Still trying to play the long. So this was a scalp. It's always like this group here, this exit type group is kind of useless. I need to get rid of it.
Yeah,
Zero
you always scalp
volatility.
anyway.
The order flow, I don't use it anymore. I'm using. I need to change up stuff. Up channel, focused. Another green. Next trade is 9:40. Yeah, wait, let's watch this actually. Yeah, that was a nice 4 ticks. Maybe I could have held it longer. No, I think I got the correct exit here. Yeah. So 9:40, 9:40. 9:40:34. So this was an aggressive long. I would say that, yeah, we're still tempted to say down channel on this one. Also, you don't see my cursor, most likely, because I mean, you see the cursor in the video, but not my cursor right now.
Yeah,
So whatever.
but it's okay. Don't worry. I don't understand why this was an aggressive long.
Because I put my order, like, it's spike up. Wait, let me do this. Because it spiked up here,
Yeah.
and I was looking for a continuation.
Oh, okay. That's why it was aggressive.
The other trades were, it went down to my level and then it reversed, so that's conservative.
Okay. Get it.
And also my order was very close to what the price was, so I wanted to enter immediately, I wanted to work immediately. Which it's not, right? So
Yeah.
now I think I exit for break even, because I was looking for this, and then it did this, so.
Okay.
So, yeah. Actually, this was a cut exit. So next is 942, 942.70. Oh, there you go. So now, okay, this is uptrend, conservative. Cut exit. Still Lovola, up channel focused. Oops. And I think I was too early on this. Yeah, I cut it there. But it was a good cut. So next one is at 942.47. Oh, I'm already in. So yeah, I knew I was too early, so I tried to enter lower down. I think the idea is still valid. So that's again conservative. Although is this a green trade? Was a little bit. Fuck is calling me right now. Shut up. Yeah, it's a green trade. It's conservative. It's Lovola. It's now it's a down spike. This one, and I'm still focused. Let's see. Do I cut this? No, it is a scalp exit. So I get 2 ticks out of this one. There's probably room for more. Should have held it maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna mark this as a yellow. Because of that. So next one, 948. I think I went to take a shit here. Oh no, I'm waiting. then 48, so it's spiking. Oh, there we go. So I shorted here. Well, let's watch. Okay, I would say it's conservative. It's a scalp exit. Medium vola because it was a little bit more volatile there. And it's an up channel and I'm still focused. Three ticks. Could have held it for a little bit more, but given the fact that it's an uptrend, I still think it's a solid exit. So anyway, next trade is 51.44. Okay. So let's watch the lead up. So it's an up spike. This is an aggressive one. Yep, aggressive. Full stop out on this one. I think we are getting no volatility here. Up spike. Focused. I get burns on this one. Yeah, boom. So now let's see if I immediately enter again. Because if I do, that's a mistake. Look at it, I'm trying. Okay, no, I'm waiting. Good. This is the mistake that I did on Tuesday, where I would immediately enter, but now I'm stalking it. I'm watching the price action. I try to enter there, I don't. Now I'm chasing it a little bit. Okay, so middle of the range there. I would say this is conservative. Scalp exit. No volatility, sideways channel, and I'm focused. Looking for 3, not being, not trying to be a hero. And it starts to compress there. So I have to cut it for 1. See if there's room for more. No, it was a good cut. So next, 9. Okay, a minute later. So I'm trying to play this range now. That would have been a good long. Play the range here. Okay. So that was conservative, cut exit. Well, let's wait. Go sideways, focus. Could have done better on this one. No. It's a good cut. So next one, 54.20. Getting a little bit too many trades, I think. So maybe I'm starting to overtrade a little bit here. I'm trying to make back that 5 tick loss. and it's taking a while. But you know, I'm trying to play this range. Touch no feel on that one. Oh, this is bad. I don't like this trade at all. That was aggressive. I would say not focused. That one. Cut exit. Low volatility. Sideways. I chased it down, which is bad. So a little bit impatient there. Again, touch no feel 2 times. Yeah, it's compressing. Oh, by the way, this is yesterday's session.
Yeah, I noticed that.
I still had to do the review. So that was not a good. So my idea here is I want to enter with another lot here if it moves too much against me, and try to scalp for break even. I don't like this. Okay, now it comes down. So I have the habit of giving it more room, you know, moving that.
It stops.
You know, I would never make it go all the way up to there, of course, but the volatility was increasing, so I wanted to give it more room, and I wanted to, because I was expecting a failure up top here, which we did get, and I was too early. But yeah, this was not a good trade at all. Like the entry was bad. Moving the stop is not horrible, but because the reason why I moved the stop is I entered in the wrong place. So I realized that, oh, I need to give it more room because my entry is shit. I entered at the wrong price. And so my stop loss is very vulnerable at the top tick there. Fuck it, let's do a 1 star on that one. Horrible execution, horrible management. Now let's do the yellow. It wasn't too bad. Wait, did I do? Yeah, okay, that's done. So next one is 2 minutes later. Oh, already here. So yeah, this makes way more. Oh, okay, this is a nice trade. So it's a conservative entry, scalp exit, medium vola because volatility increased, up channel, and I am focused. So I enter for the tick shot. I give it more room because the volatility has increased. But it's not spiking the way I want to spike. Yeah, and now, yeah, I was planning on moving out of the stop. It was a decent trade. So now I take a break here because I realize I'm getting a little bit antsy. So it's a 10-minute break. Like my entries are not very good, and I'm having the volatility has increased. I'm having to move my stops a little bit too much. Let's just
when you move your stops, it's usually how amount? You go from 5 ticks to 8 ticks?
to 8 or 9, which is
Okay.
still a small stop, right? But if I expect volatility to increase, I have to do that.
Yeah.
I've been experimenting with that for the past few sessions, so it's something, usually I would always keep it at 5, but some sessions I would
I'm
get
asking
completely.
myself right now if I should actually I have I mean right now I have 8 ticks stops,
Yeah,
and I wanted to switch it up to 4 ticks, but I don't think it's
very
I don't
tight
know.
for ticks. Like
Okay.
the last few days, maybe you can get away with that, but if it starts to get more volatile,
Yeah, of
you're gonna get
course.
ran over so many times.
Okay.
And also, my stop loss was very vulnerable. Again, I didn't enter in, like, I guess it wasn't a bad spot to enter with the tick shot there, but it's still in the middle of the range, right? Because I was watching this level here,
Yeah.
and I enter for the tick shot there, going long, but, it's still in the middle. So the entry, like the last 2 trades here, the entries were bad. So that's why they are yellow.
Okay. Yellow is 1 stars or 2 stars?
Oh, well, I do use the 1 star pretty, like, let me show you this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I missed
happened
the
now.
trade.
That's
This was
trading.
Tuesday. Not very good at all. I noticed that I went over my 20 trades. I never went to the max daily loss. I never got even close, but
Happens.
not good trading on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Like this day here, like from now on, I think I take another stop, but I take a break here, and then it's good performance. I had this plateau sort of situation happening during this session where this range here I just could not trade it well. So let's go. Taking a break here. Oh, there you go. Getting this. Oh, the journal. Oh, there you go. Okay, so back into focus. Let's see, 9, 10, 5. Okay, it's happening now. I think it's a loss, the first one. Yeah, minus 50. So again, trying to play this range. This is a... So this is an up spike. I would... No, this is a range and it's... yeah, conservative, so... Conservative. Is this a full stop? Yeah, I think I tightened... Oh no, okay, yeah, it's a full stop, but I get filled for 4 ticks instead of 5. Cool. So full stop, medium volatility, sideways channel, focused. I give it a 3 star. I got spiked there, and I was too early on that fucking trade. So now I'm trying to play the move back down into the range here. Okay, there you go. And this should be a decent one. But I probably move my stop here because you see how volatile it is now? Do I move the stop? Maybe I don't. Yeah, okay, there you go. So 9 ticks. And I place the target there at 3, but I think I move it lower because I see a lot of settlers come in. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Nice trade. So conservative, scalp exit, medium volatility, focused, up spike. So next one is at, oh, that was the best trade of the session. Starts going up now. And I go for the breakout. Okay, I'm in. So this was aggressive. Scalp exit, medium vola. It's an up channel now, yeah. Focused. Let's see if I could have done better here. So I'm tempted to take the scalp, but I know that there's the potential for it to really pump here. It's compressing at the highs. I move my stop below that point there. Okay, shenanigans happening here. Like this is more of a point-to-point trade than a scalp actually. Now that I look at it this way, because I'm being patient. Like I want to take it off, but yeah, there you go. Let's see. And I take the 6 there. Let's see if I could have held it. Yeah, maybe I could have. Maybe not. No, I think it was the correct exit there. And maybe now, yeah, now it goes, but anyway, yeah. Solid
Good
fucking
trade.
trade. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a point-to-point actually, this one. So next one, 3 minutes later. Wait, is it 3 minutes later? Yeah. Wait, did I miss a trade? Wait. So 10:55. Ah, okay, I enter another long here, I think. Yeah, more buyers coming in, it's getting aggressive. Or do I enter in a short? Maybe not. If I was trading right now, I would enter in a long, but I guess. Okay, well. Quite aggressive. So I don't like this at all. And I take the yeah. I take the 2-tick loss there. So this was an aggressive entry, even though it was price going against, towards my, that was very aggressive. So, and also, yeah, didn't particularly like this one. So cut exit, medium vola, up spike. Yeah, there was definitely a spike. Focused. Next one is, so I try it here again. So I'm still playing the move back down. Let's see this. Okay, be more patient this time, which is good. Okay, 89. And I get filled for 3 ticks. How much was that? Yeah. This was conservative. Scalp exit, medium vola, focused up spike. I like this one. I was too aggressive in the first one, like the one before. This one, I waited for the top tick before I entered, so better. And I'm looking for a flush down. And the next trade is 1242. Okay, now expecting it to form a range up here now. So this was conservative, scalp exit, medium vola. It's an up channel now, technically, but I expect it to become a range up here. Do I increase the stop here a little bit? Yeah, 8 ticks. It didn't move because stop step X sucks. Now it moved. Fucking Christ. Yeah. So my prediction that it was gonna become a range up here is turning out to be true. Next one is 2 minutes later. Where is it? Okay. This is an aggressive short. Back into that range. Very aggressive. Only looking for 2 ticks. Because it's starting to struggle to move up strongly. So let's mark it aggressive. Scalp exit, medium volatility. That looks like an up channel now. Although the entry here is not really good. I think it was too aggressive, so let's mark it. Was a little bit too aggressive here. And did I get filled? Did I get? Yeah, accidental fill there as well. Did it? Did I get an accidental fill? So, wait. 1523, 1518. I think I did get an accidental fill there. Is this the right trade? Yeah, it is. Misclick on this one. We're gonna leave everything else normal. And the last one. So it's starting to roll here, so I go for a short. And I should have held it. So this was aggressive, scalp exit, medium volatility. This was now a sideways, but it was in an up channel actually, focused. But I should have held it for more. Like you see here where I placed the order immediately, like that.
Yeah.
I should have waited, wait like 5 seconds, and it spikes down. And look at that, I would have gotten 3 ticks more, easy. Yeah, look at that. Look at how much money I left on the table there, just because I tried to put the order there too soon. So that's why it's yellow. Yep, there you go. That was yesterday.
Yeah, thank you, man. That was very interesting.
Look at today. This was today. Yeah, yesterday was. Let me show you here. Date. I had this whole area here where I kinda during that range where I kinda fumbled, but you know, in the past, this place here, this area here, would have been like that.
Yeah.
But now
I
I'm
mean,
not
it's
getting
overall it's
better.
good.
It's break even, right? And then I start to find edge again, and it goes. And yeah, so there you go.
Yeah, that's nice.
And I still need to do today. But look at this one, right? These are all the scalps from the tilted trade. I was tilted, kind of, on Tuesday. Like I was taking revenge trades, right? And out of sheer luck, all the revenge trades worked. So, you know, it kind of sucks because on my good trades I'm flat. Down. On the bad trades I'm up. And they all worked. But
That's weird.
you know, it was here, right? This area here, where I would take a bad trade, revenge, the revenge trade would work. Bad trade, the revenge, it would work. Bad trade, revenge. You know, bad trade, revenge.
I think my internet's
I
about
got
to give out
lucky.
again.
What? Like, sometimes it wasn't fully necessary. Maybe I could have done that better. It was an okay day. It wasn't a very, very good day, yes. Kind of fumbled around a little bit in that range. But today I managed to do it really well, right? So
Yeah.
well, I think I need to code now. So
Yeah, thank a lot for that and for the software. Let me know when my Ninja import's gonna be available.
yeah,
And
it's the first one that I'm doing now. So probably like an hour from now, unless I do something
yeah, don't
weird.
worry.
Something weird happens. Actually, no. I'm gonna go buy some groceries and then I'm gonna code.
Yeah,
That's
take
better
a break,
idea.
man. Take a break.
To find some food. Hey, Chronic, are you done?
Yeah, I've just been on Sim the last couple minutes.
Nice, man.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm getting murdered on Sim, so
Oh,
that's not that nice.
well.
I mean, good thing you're in Sim, so
Yeah, that's true.
I guess it's not your day.
No, I mean it was, but I definitely got tunnel vision there towards that high of day, which is a pattern, man. Whenever we're at high of day or low of day, that's where I usually run into the most trouble.
you're not streaming. Just let you know.
Yeah, I know. My fucking internet was about to crash out there, so I'm trying to ease up on
Yeah.
the load. But I do got to get ready for work here in about an hour or two. So I will probably
yeah.
take a break, grab something to eat, and then jump into some review.
Chronic, when you're gonna do the review, can I do it? Can I see it too?
Yeah, absolutely, man. If I do, it'll probably be in about an hour, depending on.
Yeah, don't take your time. Just when you do it, I will show up and don't.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
See you guys.
See you. Bye bye.